Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. So today I've got a curly hair routine. It's autumn now, fall, autumn. It's autumn, I'm British, so it's autumn. Curly hair is really popular now, so I thought, why not film a video about how to maintain your curls? Small details on this hair. This hair's from HairVirginity, it's their Luxe Curl. I received this hair like 2 years ago, but I didn't really wear it out properly, so I just thought it's cold now, so why not? The hair was originally a color 1B, but I like to experiment. It was even lighter than this at some point. It had like blonde highlights going through it, but then I just thought, why not warm it up and just dye the whole unit brown? So at the back here it's a darker brown, then on top it's a lot lighter. Originally it was around 20-22 inches. I think it was like a 2018-16 or something like that. I can't quite remember, but it was long. But I just got scissor happy. I just had to cut the life out of it. So I've got a bit of a layering going on over here, and the back is maybe bra strap length. And don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Sorry, the curls are just juicy. Watch on if you want to know how to maintain your curls. Bye. Lord have mercy. Nope, this ain't it. To begin, we will be using a spray bottle. This just has water in it. I'm going to add some John Frieda Frizzies Dream Curls Holy Grail product into this bottle. I want to have 3 parts of water to 1 part of John Frieda Frizzies. My crazy ass science. This spray helps to add definition to the curls. I wash this hair around once a week because obviously with the product build up I don't want it to just be weighed down and nasty looking. I haven't got energy to wash it every single day. I've seen people wash their bundles or their curly natural hair every single day, and you guys have time. I cannot. So which is why I use a spray bottle. So just shake that around. I like to section off the hair into parts just to make working with it a lot easier. I look like Coolio. Please, alright, let's start from the back. Just the hair, and we start spraying. And the John Frieda doesn't smell bad. Smells like hair product. Hasn't got a distinct scent. Alright, cool. So I'm getting wet. Just get that all through. Make sure you don't forget the bits of hair that are closest to the track. You want to make sure you're saturating all of the hair with the solution. With the Denman brush, I don't know the exact name of the brush, but I think it's a 9-row one. Just gonna begin by detangling the hair from the bottom up. Anybody that detangles their hair from the top to the bottom is really trying to lose their hair. They do not respect themselves. Oh, God bless Denman, because I don't know what I'd do about this brush. Now, if only my 4C natural hair could be brushed with a Denman brush. Other side. What the difference is. This is already clumping up. Now I'm going to use my Organics coconut milk conditioner. Just nearly done, guys. Squeeze that. Two little squeezes. It smells amazing. All good, beautiful stuff. That much. And we're going to focus this on the ends. So let's say middle to end rather, because they tend to get quite dry. Could be with all the processing I've done to the hair. And notice how I'm scrunching it up, because I'm trying to get those ends looking healthy, looking juicy. You think I'm talking about food the way I'm talking? On the other side. Scrunchy, scrunchy. Yeah, feeling this. Yeah, it smells amazing. This next step you don't really have to do. You could leave the hair at this point, but I found that I like my curls a lot more when I did this. I like to go over with my Got To Be, the black one, but the styling gel for edges. Yeah, styling gel for edges. Compared to the other black, the bigger one, I think it's bigger. I prefer it because the hold it has on the hair isn't so extreme. Something I can work with. Squeeze some into my hands. That's even maybe a bit too much. If you use too much of the Got To Be, I forgot to mention that your hair can get really crispy, and that is no bueno. It's not what I'm looking for. I don't want crispy curls. I want fluffy curls. Fluffy like pancakes. Of all analogies, Antonio. Scotch, scotch. You could blow dry the hair, but I just don't like interfering with the process. Long for men. Please be sparing with the amount of product that you use, because it'll only increase the amount of time you spend waiting for the hair to dry. Once the hair's air dried, I just zhuzh it up a bit. Just a little bit, not too much. If you manipulate the hair too much, the curls will just separate and you'll just have noodles in your head. Okay, the back isn't as fluffy as the front for me, so I'm gonna fluff that out a bit. I even use the gel as a last product. The hair isn't crispy, it's so soft and fluffy. Oh, yes. Ooh. I love it. I absolutely love this. Let's get into the definition. Look, the ends, they're not stringy. They're cute and coiled up. Oh, beautiful. If you have any questions, any queries, if there's anything I haven't covered in this video, please drop me a comment below. Thank you for tuning into my video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you in the next one.